The hashtag Pray for the Amazon trended all day yesterday. We talked about it on here too, but as this effort to spread the word about record wildfires there increases, we want to verify what's fact and what's not. I want to start with a warning about sharing some photos of the wildfires like this one. You are probably seeing it all over your feed. I know I am. So take this tweet. It's been shared nearly 18,000 times. But this photo is old. A quick Google search shows it was used in this 2018 article, and it's actually a stock image. There are a lot of examples like this, so just do a quick search before you share, because here's the thing, wildfires in the Amazon happen this time of year. NASA reports that it's currently Brazil's dry season, and due to high temps and low humidity, fires aren't unusual right now, but this is a record-setting year. Data from the Brazilian Institute for Space Research shows there have been more than 75,000 fires in the Amazon since the start of the year. That is the highest since the agency started recording in 2013, and almost an 85% increase over last year. Finally, some posts say the fires were intentionally set by the Brazilian government and agro-businesses. Then you have the Brazilian president himself on Facebook Live saying his political rivals are setting the fires to make him look bad. But at this point, there is no evidence whatsoever that these fires were set intentionally, and no one has been able to point to proof that it was either the Brazilian government or its rivals. Do you have something you'd like us to verify? You can reach out with your questions. We're on Facebook, Twitter, or you can email us at verify@khau.com. It is 6:07. Let's check in with Cheetah for the one thing.